Another update. Just got the back of the frame mocked up with the kick-up, Z-notch, whatever you want to call it. It's going to clear even if I put on tires that are about 4 inches taller. I can probably go about 35 or 36 inch tall tires and still lay frame. Cab will get dropped 1.5 inches to 2 inches, so that lays with frame. Front end is just laying underneath the frame where it will be ultimately set. That's the stock location, so the stock steering and everything, steering box should all bolt up with just column modification. Cut the man on the tractor emblem out in the center of the grill. We're going to mount it up front somewhere. Probably some bug-eye lights of some sort to bolt onto that. And I'm seriously thinking radiator in the back because there's not much room there. We'll see. Pretty cool. Doors function. That's a bonus. A lot of work in them doors. That's it. See you soon.